Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a note on the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and click that plus button right here. Basically, we'll add an item. Now we need to select the note, and right here we have to name our note. So for example, important stuff. Here we can add it to a folder. So if you did not create a folder, then you guys can create one right here, then cancel the entire process and just redo it. I'll add it to the hard reset info folder, and in the additional options I'll also add something. So for example, hello, and then we can click on save. As you guys can see, here we have our note. So this is the note we just created, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.